You see, each time you conclude your video, the scripting, the recording, the editing, you are eager to let everybody see what you posted. And that is the mistake you have been making. If you are a consistent content creator, you've been doing your best, you've been doing everything possible to create good content, and you've not been getting your desired results. In this video, I'd like to tell you maybe something you've been doing wrong or something you possibly not be paying attention to that is affecting your video. Don't be eager to let your video out all of a sudden. I know you are done, but there are processes that will help your video perform better. That is what I'm about to share with you in this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so that and don't forget, turn on the notification bell so that you can always get updates. Okay, it will always notify you when I post a new video. All right, what am I talking about? When you are uploading your video, apart from your title, make sure you have a good title. Okay, apart from your thumbnail, another thing you want to do is this. You see, we have three options on either you want to make the video go public, private, or unlisted. A lot of persons will just select public because they want everybody to see their video, and that is a big mistake. That is what you don't want to do. Apart from having your video uploaded on YouTube, if you're uploading 4K, for instance, after the upload has been concluded, the system will have to process your video to be up to 4K resolution. Do you understand? So that means it will take some time. You can say like 30 minutes, like 1 hour before you get to that resolution, depending on the server. But if you now say the video should go public immediately, that means your viewers will struggle with a certain resolution, and that was not what you intended. And that can also discourage them because they'll just say, oh, the quality is not, is not good enough for them to see. They can't even hear you properly. The video quality is not enough. So to avoid this kind of thing, you want to put your video on private. Okay, let the video be on private. Private means you are the only person that will see the video or anybody you choose. And that will now give the system time, the algorithm time to process a video to your desired resolution. Do you understand? Your desired resolution. And while that is going on, then go ahead and do your necessary checking. Make sure your tags are correct. Okay, just do all your findings. Just make sure everything is in order. Okay, now wait for it. Give it some time. Give it like 1 hour, 2 hours. Then go back to check. You will see on your, if you are using a system, for instance, on your right hand side of the screen, you will see if your video is processed up to HD. If it was HD, you will see it. If it's full HD, you will see it there. It will tell you, okay, your video is now ready. If it's standard, you will see it there. You will see all the resolutions. You understand? So make sure your video gets to the topmost resolution before you decide the next step to do. Another option you can take is to unlist the video. Okay, and unlist simply means anybody you share the link of the video with will be able to watch the video. And that process I explained earlier, letting the video to process, that process will still be on. And it will not affect anything because you only share the link to the people that you want. You get? Now, while this is going on, another alternative for those of you that have the channel already monetized, you have other options. You can allow only your members see it. You can allow, anybody, depending on the option you are selecting. Let me now explain the reason why you should make this very, very important process when you are uploading. Never to go public straight up. Now, apart from the video processing, YouTube also needs time to read through your description. You understand? To read through your video. Because that will now make them know, all right, who are the persons searching for a video like this? You see, this is the major part of it. Because you are posting a video, you are not posting the video for everybody on YouTube, right? You are posting on cooking now. There are people that are interested in cooking. They want to learn how to cook. I think I've mentioned cooking in one of my videos. Do I like food? I don't like food. But I just like to talk about cooking. And I don't like cooking. All right. So if you are making a video about cooking now, there are people that want to learn how to cook. So that space, that time you are living, will allow the algorithm to search for people that might be interested in your video. So it will now push it to them, suggest the video to them, put it in their own page. You understand? Or not put it in their own page technically, but at least when immediately you say public now, he knows where to push it to. So your video will not take much time, will not struggle for attention, because you've allowed the video rest for a very long time. There's a YouTuber I listened to, and he said he normally leaves his video to rest for at least 24 hours before going public. Well, I don't leave my video up to 24 hours, but at least I give it nothing less than 1 hour before going public. So you can choose what to adopt depending on what you've tried. You can leave the video up to, sometimes I leave up to 6 hours before going public. And let me also give you a tip. In case you don't want to forget, okay, this video has not gone public. Look at schedule here. You can schedule it. Give it a date. Give it a time to go public. Okay? And YouTube will remember that you said you want a video to go public. Just save it. Click done, save it, and when the exact time, the video will be published. You understand? So it will help you gain a lot of attention. If you now discover that you just posted, your video just went public 20 minutes ago, and you're having a lot of views. So it will make your video do better than going public immediately. You know, just like YouTube will have sorted out your customers. Sorted out your customers. So immediately you say, okay, start selling. You just give them to your customers straight away. But when you now say public without looking for customers for you, you said, okay, start selling. You now start sorting for customers. You know, because you're having 1 view, 2 views, 3 views. You now come back in the next 3 hours. You're still having 5 views. You now be, and you're a new channel. You see, you will not be happy with that kind of result. That's why you need to be patient with the algorithm to do all these things for you. If you have watched me up to this point, if you are listening up to this point, you have not subscribed to the channel, I know you and we are not quarreling. So please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel to help me grow as well. If you have any question, let me know. And if you have been publishing your video public all this while, and you've not tried anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you have also been doing it, let me know how you publish your video. If you have been monetized, let me know. Okay, I allow only my members see it before going live and all that. Let's talk in the comment section. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Okay.